What proportion of legislative council members are elected by graduates of universities in the state? A. 1/3. B. 1/12. C. 1/6. D. A half. The correct answer is B. 1/12. What concept does the text suggest food promotes? A. Welfare economics. B. National security. C. Resource scarcity. D. Disaster management. The correct answer is A. Welfare economics. Which group of scholars contributed to the intellectual traditions that influenced the formation of BRICS? A. Arab and Iranian scholars. B. European and American scholars. C. African and South American scholars. D. East Asian and Southeast Asian scholars. The correct answer is A. Arab and Iranian scholars. Who introduces new schemes in the government? A. The Council of Ministers. B. The legislature directly. C. The judiciary. D. Individual citizens. The correct answer is A. The Council of Ministers. Besides an impartial press, what other factor is mentioned as necessary for forming public opinion in a successful democracy? A. Presence of strong public opinion. B. Government propaganda. C. Lack of public interest. D. Weak public opinion. The correct answer is A. Presence of strong public opinion. What is suggested to be installed near unmanned railway crossings? A. Speed bumps. B. Bollards. C. Cameras. D. Traffic lights. The correct answer is B. Bollards. With which country does India share a common sea border? A. China. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bhutan. D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is B. Sri Lanka. What kind of report does media provide on matters? A. Opinionated. B. Balanced. C. Uninformative. D. Biased. The correct answer is B. Balanced. How many items are listed in the Union List of the 7th Schedule? A. 97. B. 66. C. 180. D. 47. The correct answer is A. 97. Against which type of state would India never use nuclear weapons? A. Any state that initiates a conventional attack. B. Any state threatening its borders. C. Any nuclear state. D. Any non-nuclear state. The correct answer is D. Any non-nuclear state. Who presides over the meetings of the Panchayat? A. A government-appointed chairperson. B. The district collector. C. The eldest member of the village. D. The president of the Panchayat. The correct answer is D. The president of the Panchayat. Is a market restricted to a physical or geographical location? A. No, it covers a general wide area. B. Yes, always. C. Sometimes, depending on the goods. D. Only for goods, not services. The correct answer is A. No, it covers a general wide area. What concept is listed as a learning objective alongside prejudice and discrimination? A. Stereotypes. B. Social groups. C. Equality. D. Architecture. The correct answer is A. Stereotypes. What is the profession of S. Ilawaz Hagi's father? A. Vegetable seller. B. Grandmaster. C. Brick laborer. D. Autorickshaw driver. The correct answer is D. Autorickshaw driver. What is the primary function of the judicial system in relation to disputes? A. To provide a mechanism for resolving disputes. B. To create disputes. C. To ignore disputes. D. To avoid resolving disputes. The correct answer is A. To provide a mechanism for resolving disputes. When was the Constitution framed and put into effect? A. 2nd October. B. 14th November. C. 26th January. D. 15th August. The correct answer is C. 26th January. How many important national festivals are specifically listed by name? A. 3. B. 2. C. 1. D. 4. The correct answer is A. 3. In which state did the new Panchayat Raj system come into being as mentioned in the text? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. The correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. In what type of industry are children made to work that involves processing a common leaf-based beverage? A. Tea gardens. B. Sugarcane fields. C. Tobacco farms. D. Coffee plantations. The correct answer is A. Tea gardens. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the Union Judiciary? 8th Part A. B. Part 4. C. Part 6. D. Part 3. The correct answer is A. Part A. What is considered crucial for a healthy society regarding current affairs? A. Centralized control of media. B. Limiting public debate. C. Suppressing different views. D. Sharing of views and free flow of information. The correct answer is D. Sharing of views and free flow of information. What is the primary role of the majority party after an election? A. To propose constitutional amendments. B. To form and run the government. C. To advise the Election Commission. D. To act as the main opposition. The correct answer is B. To form and run the government. What role does media play in a democracy? A. It funds elections. B. It controls the government. C. It serves as a political party. D. It has an important role. The correct answer is D. It has an important role. What quality is represented by the lion in the lower part of the emblem? A. Cleverness. B. Bravery. C. Agility. D. Majestic. The correct answer is D. Majestic. When was the Supreme Court of India inaugurated? A. 10th December 1949. B. 28th January 1950. C. 15th August 1947. D. 26th January 1950. The correct answer is B. 28th January 1950. What type of economic activities are concerned with the production of raw materials for foodstuff and industrial products? A. Secondary activities. B. Primary activities. C. Quaternary activities. D. Tertiary activities. The correct answer is B. Primary activities. What is the term of office for elected members of the Legislative Council? A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 7 years. D. 6 years. The correct answer is D. 6 years. What type of road feature is mentioned as a distraction? A. Well-marked pedestrian crossings. B. Smooth road surfaces. C. Diversion and illegal speed breakers. D. Clearly visible road signs. The correct answer is C. Diversion and illegal speed breakers. Under whose leadership are all major decisions of the state government taken? A. The Chief Secretaries. B. The Chief Ministers. C. The Cabinets. D. The Governors. The correct answer is B. The Chief Ministers. How many professionals work at the SARC Disaster Management Center? A. 5.5. B. 6.5. C. 3.5. D. 4.5. The correct answer is D. 4.5. How did you score?